The Miele WXD160 and the TXD160 are two of the most popular compact laundry sets you can buy. At $2,800, this is Miele's least expensive compact laundry pair. But the least expensive doesn't mean it's missing any of Miele's key features. In this video, you'll learn about the best features and a few problems when buying Miele compact laundry. Stay to the end to see a comparison between this series, other Miele compact laundry, and the compact laundry sets from their main competitor, Bosch. Let's get started. Miele's signature feature is its honeycomb drum. The perforations allow you to wash delicate fabrics better than any other brand. This is because the clothes glide on water instead of being rotated on the metal drum. You have regular detergent dispensing like every washer, but you can also dispense caplets through a special caplet dispenser called Captos. Miele is the only brand to have caplet dispensing in their compact laundry units. Steam is an interesting feature in laundry. Miele, Samsung, and Electrolux are the only brands to offer steam in their compact washers. Miele has a soft steam setting, releasing steam at the precise moment to eliminate tougher stains. There are 11 different wash programs covering the basics from Express at 66 minutes to Cottons at 2 hours and 43 minutes. Miele has the fastest spin speed of any other washer at 1,600 RPM. The industry average is 1,200 RPM, so your clothes will be drier coming out of this Miele washer, which means less drying time in the dryer. The Miele 160 series washer also has smart functionality and can be controlled through Miele's app on your phone. You can see the time remaining and receive a push notification when the cycle is over. This is much more convenient than standing by the washer and waiting for the cycle to end. However, you should select your compact laundry based on how the dryer vents. Typically, large laundry is vented through your house on the outside, while most compact laundry, like Miele, is ventless or self-contained. Miele offers the most efficient ventless style using a heat pump instead of regular drying elements. Miele uses compressors to heat and then store and recycle that heat through an air exchanger, rather than pulling in air from the room. It doesn't emit heat back into the room either, like other ventless types. With a ventless dryer, you can place your laundry anywhere with water and power, like an upstairs closet or even in your kitchen. Miele's design is different because it operates using only 110 volts of power versus 220 volts for every other brand. When we tested the Miele against the 220-volt Bosch heat pump compact dryer, the drying times were the same. This is possible because Miele will calculate the precise drying time by employing mineral and moisture sensors. These sensors will automatically adjust drying times depending on the minerals left in the moisture from your clothes, even if you have hard, soft, or well water. Remember, you'll also have less drying time in a Miele because the washer is incredibly fast with that 600 RPM spin speed, so it pre-dries your clothes. Miele Compact Laundry allows you to add and customize scents with Miele's fragrance dose dispenser, with fragrances imported from France. Like the washer, the Miele dryer also features perforated honeycomb drums, so zippers and buttons don't get caught, ripped, or frayed. Based on our internal service data, Miele was serviced 8.5% of the time in the first year. That's lower than the average appliance at 9.5%, but higher than the average compact washer at 5.6%. Then again, Miele's installation with a 110-volt dryer is unique and may be the reason for these service issues. But reliability is a feature because service is generally very poor in this industry. That broken washer and dryer in any brand will take at least 4 weeks to fix in the best case scenario. The 160 series washer is missing the twin-dose automatic dispenser. It holds up to 50 loads of bleach and detergent, releasing the right amount at the right time. An auto dispenser will save an expensive future service call as well, because most people add too much detergent. That excess foam from the detergent will eventually seize the machine. Intense Wash is Miele's two-pump system available on their better compact models. It completely saturates your clothes and better distributes detergent and bleach for a more thorough cleaning. The better dryers in Miele's lineup also feature steam, so you can refresh an outfit quickly to remove wrinkles and odors. On both washer and dryer, you have more specialized cycles as well. Bosch is Miele's closest and best competition. For features, Miele clearly has more. For the washer, the spin speed is much better at 1600 versus 1400 for the Bosch, and for drier clothes out of the washer. You have the ability to add caplets, and there's also the honeycomb drum on both the washer and dryer for a gentler handling of your clothes. There's also a steam function on the washer to power out stains. With the Miele dryer, you have a better sensor and similar drying times to Bosch, while only using 110 volts. Bosch only has 2 better features than the Miele. First, the Bosch is incredibly reliable with only 2.5% service within the first year, which is the best in compact laundry by far. And the heat pump on the dryer is self-cleaning. You do have to clean the filter on the Miele. The 160 series has Miele's key features. Miele does have better machines with an automatic dispenser, intense wash, and steam drying, and they're definitely worth considering, but cost $2,000 more. The 160 series heat pump dryer excels as well. However, you do have other options to consider with the different Miele models and the Bosch compact laundry. If you want to know more about compact laundry reliability, then click here. And if you're interested in learning more about the best full-size laundry, then click here. Thanks for watching.